Hey, Austin here, and I just want to welcome you to another video. In an earlier video, I kind of alluded to a way that you can find content for your website or other publishing platforms, endless content for your whatever use you want to put them to. And that's what I want to talk to you about here. And that module is the YouTube wizard. Now, the whole idea is to search for CC videos on YouTube and extract the transcript and then repurpose that for whatever use you want it for. That's what this module is all about. And access to this module is only limited to the alpha tier. So first of all, you're going to search for a keyword, and let's search for large language models. Large models. Okay. And I'm going to do 10 videos. You can do all the way to 50 videos. I'm going to search on relevance. You can decide how old you want your videos to be. Then those with CC, you can also search by views and also trending videos. And then you click on search. We have about 10 videos. How many did they find? 10. Okay. Now each video card, you have a button that you can click to go watch it. You can copy the link or delete that video. This one has a 3.9 million views and it's about 7 minutes, 8 minutes long. This one is a 3.5 million, 17 minutes long. And it's about generative AI in a nutshell. You have Google's AI course for beginners, 2.6 million, 9 minutes long. So it depends on what you're looking for, what you're interested in. So I'm just gonna pick one video here, and we go with that. Let's take this 9 minute longer. Let's do large language models explained briefly. So that's about 8 minutes long. So I'm just gonna copy the URL. And I will open up another app. I forgot to mention this. To make this work, you're gonna need the keyword everywhere Google extension, and that's what I have here. I already have that installed, so you can search for it in Google and add it to your Chrome as a Chrome extension. So we're gonna need that, and the other thing we need is ChatGPT, but you can, that's also will be inside the way this is going to work. I'm just going to demonstrate that. So I copied the video links. I'm going to paste that in here and bring up the video.
Imagine bringing your side project to life just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Okay.
Imagine you
So this is the video. It's too loud.
Between a person and their AI assistant.
And once you have the video in there, you're gonna look in here and search for the keyword everywhere app, and you're looking for a summary. So you under in GPT, ChatGPT. So you click on that
to start the AI's answer, and then repeating this over and over with a growing.
And here is your transcript.
When you interact with a chat,
so you simply copy that.
A large language model is a sophisticated mathematical function.
You copy the transcript.
Comes next for any piece of text. Instead of predicting
you can highlight or use the copy button,
is assign a
then go back to
possible next word.
your
To build a chatbot, what you do is lay out
your rank squad.
describes an interaction between a user and a
This time you go in the dashboard,
you add on whatever
and then you can click whatever you have in here already,
and then you have the
paste that in here.
predict the next word that such a hypothetical AI assistant
You can strip it of any identifiers
what's presented to the user.
with this button.
Output tends to look a lot more natural if you allow it to select less likely words along the way at random. So what this means
So if there are any brand information that is in the transcript, it's going to strip that out.
Models learn how to make these predictions by processing an enormous amount of text.
Let me stop the video.
On the internet. For a standard human to read the amount of text that was used to train.
Okay. So it's done stripping. And it gives you a notice down here. So this is what you have as your raw content. You can rewrite it. What I try to do is give it a keyword here. That way you can generate additional keywords or topic cluster for it. So this is about large language models. So let's say large. Those. Let's get a title. The large. L-A-R-G-E, large language. U-A-G-E, language models. And the future of work. So if you are above the if you're not on the free trial, you can do some of the things right here, like generate a topic cluster by clicking on this button. Then it generates a topic cluster. You can save that cluster, and then you can load it at a later date and keep working on it. Your audience. Who is this for? Let's say you want to generate content for digital marketers. Return. Let's say professional, experts, but friendly. Empathetic. Let's see. Let's say password safe. Your audience. You can narrow your audience down here, but that's optional. The length of your content, I'll leave that at 1,500 words. Target URL. Where do you want to send your people to? I'm just going to put something here, http //google.com. I'm just going to put a DM. That's my work, Akalange Digital Media. What do you want your people to do? Let's say learn more. That's your call to action. Now you can add a link to your, depending on what your access level is, you can add a link to this by clicking on this button. Or you can make that call to action clickable. Let's add the same thing. https:///google. So the link will be clickable once you do this. Now you select the platforms you want to publish to. Because from here going forward, it's all the same, just like in the previous videos. So, but I'm gonna generate for these three. Let's click on generate. Okay, the content is generated for those 3 platforms, Medium, WordPress, and LinkedIn. So going forward, the process is the same. You can publish, you can rewrite, you can copy, you can download, you can save it, save these, you can generate a PDF depending on what your access level is. So let's just take a read maybe the first 2 paragraphs. It says large language models and the future of work. As digital marketers, we are on the front line of a revolutionary shift that is redefining the landscape of communication, strategy, and engagement. Large language models, LLMs, represent a pivotal advancement in artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP, that could reshape how we project our brands and interact with customers. This article explores the impact of LLMs on the future of work, emphasizing deep learning, transformer architecture, model fine-tuning, and ethical implications, while guiding you toward utilizing these technologies for maximum advantage. I think that's solid. And second paragraph says large language models are advanced AI systems capable of generating human-like text based on vast data sets and complex algorithms. They leverage deep learning techniques, particularly neural networks, to understand and generate language in ways that mimic human communication. I mean, it can be better than that. So from that one transcript, we have this solid content here, and you can publish it on different platforms depending on what your access level is. And not just that one video, but we have, if you go back to the YouTube thing, we have all these videos. And remember, we only did 10, but you can go all the way to 50. So this gives you, access to content that you can, repurpose and use as you please. So you never run out of, content, regardless of what the topic is, because there are new videos every day that are being uploaded, and you will continue to have access to them. So that's the YouTube wizard that I didn't call it YouTube wizard at the time, but this is what I was referring to in, I think, 2 earlier videos that I did during the training. So, but there you have it. I want to thank you for watching, and see you on the inside.